In today's video, we're going to be talking about 10 spiritual ways you can use mugwort. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello. If you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave. That way you'll never miss out on another video. I upload 3 times a week. Every single Friday is a free pick a card reading, and I just introduced a new, very special reading 2 Tuesdays out of the month that I'm going to be uploading for you guys. So make sure that you're subscribed. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about the herb called mugwort. Mugwort is a very, very magical herb, and it has a lot of strong energies. Here is what mugwort looks like. This is a very feminine herb, and it's ruled by the planet of Venus. And here's what it looks like. It looks like moss, like dried up moss, I would say. Now the mugwort that I have, I always like to keep it charging with good energy and to amplify its energies. Now if you guys are interested in buying my mugwort, go ahead, head over to my Etsy store and you guys can get your hands on it there. But anyways, let's get into how we can use mugwort. So the first way you can use mugwort is to keep it in a sachet or a Ziploc bag underneath your pillow. This is used to have vivid dreams, enhance your dreams, get clarity and guidance and messages through your dreams. It's also known to keep nightmares away. It's also used for lucid dreaming. Now the thing with this is you don't want to keep it under your pillow every single night because some nights you do want to let your brain rest. The second way you can use mugwort is when you're manifesting using candles. Preferably use an orange candle and take the sticker off and write your intentions all over the candle. If it's in a jar, if it's not in a jar, you can inscribe your intentions onto the candle and just add a little bit of mugwort to it, and then you can light it. With this, keep in mind that you don't want to leave any candles unattended because that is a fire hazard, so just be careful with this. But this is a very, very powerful way to manifest. The third way you can use mugwort is to make a mugwort cleansing water. So basically what you want to do is boil some water and throw some mugwort in there and have the mugwort boil with the water. Wait for it to cool down, strain it, and you can use that to cleanse your body. You can use it to cleanse your crystals, your home. It's very high vibration water and it carries a lot of divine energy. The fourth way you could use mugwort is to keep it in your car. This is known as a herb that is very protective of people who travel a lot. It blesses your travels and it makes your travels easier, kind of opens the roads, makes it flow easier. What I would do is keep a little bit in a sachet bag or keep a little bit in a little Ziploc baggie and put it in your car. The fifth way you could use mugwort is you could burn it as incense. Now mugwort is known as the herb of magic, so burning this around your home and around your environment, you're inviting a lot of divine energy. You're inviting a lot of good, positive energy. Not only that, but it allows you to connect to your higher self. It allows you to connect to the universe. It allows you to connect to the divine. What I like to do is burn some charcoal and then I like to put some dried mugwort over it, and it just infuses my whole entire room and the whole entire house with such beautiful energy. The sixth way that you can use mugwort is whenever you're charging your crystals or any of your spiritual tools underneath the full moon or the new moon, sprinkle a little bit of mugwort around them or over them. What this does is it enhances the energies, it amplifies the energy. It's such a beautiful herb to use when you are doing this. Like, you will feel the energy, you will feel this lightness. The seventh way that you can use mugwort is when you are using candles to help open up your third eye chakra and your crown chakra. Always use mugwort. Sprinkle a little bit of mugwort in those candles. It's very, very powerful to enhance your spirituality, your connection to source, your intuition. The eighth way you can use mugwort is boil it in water, like we talked about earlier. Boil it in water and then wait for it to cool and strain it and put this in an empty spray bottle. What you have here is very divine, magical, high vibration water. What I like to do with this is spray it on vision boards, spray it on your goals for the week that you wrote out, your goals for the year, goals for the next 5 years, manifestation rituals, manifestation tools that you're using, scripting books. Like, spray it all over that because it enhances and amplifies the energy. The ninth way that you can use mugwort is whenever you want to amplify or increase the energy of something in your life. So say, for example, you want to attract money into your life. What you would do is throw a little bit of mugwort into your wallet or your purse or wherever you keep your cash, because this will help to amplify and increase that in your life. Same with love. Put it under your bed, around your mattress. to increase love and intimacy, in passion, in your love life, or whatever area you want to increase. You want to throw some mugwort right there. This is especially good if you are tarot readers. If you guys read tarot, keep a little bit of mugwort around your tarot to increase the energy, to amplify the energy, and also protect your tarot cards. The 10th way you can use mugwort is in your bath. So add some mugwort to your bath water for this very spiritual bath, like this connection to the divine. It's a whole new energy when you can take a bath with a little bit of mugwort in it. So those are 10 ways that you can use a mugwort. If you guys are interested in the ones that I sell in my shop, you guys can head over to my Etsy store. Also, everybody that's joined me on Patreon, thank you guys so much for joining me there. I'm having a lot of fun there, connecting with you guys, talking to you guys, and kind of revealing a little bit more of me to you guys over there personally. So if you guys are interested in all of that, then go ahead and visit me on Patreon. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.